Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I wanted to share with you one of my favorite seasonal salads for fall and winter. We'll be making my pomegranate persimmon salad with candied pecans and zesty orange vinaigrette dressing. This salad is an incredible, unique and delicious combination of flavors and textures. I love it for everyday meals and for holiday celebrations. It pairs really well with roasted chicken, roasted turkey, some roasted beef tenderloin, or even steaks. And this salad is always the biggest hit with everybody. Plus, it's super easy to make. You want to just toss together your lettuce with the persimmons and pomegranate, a little bit of goat cheese, make that homemade dressing with lots of orange zest, garlic, a touch of Dijon, and olive oil. This salad comes together in no time. For the full list of ingredients and the written instructions, follow the link from the video description box below over to my website. And now let's make this easy and delicious salad. For this salad, I love to use frisee lettuce. This is one of my favorite lettuce types. It's crispy, it has a slightly bitter flavor, but if you don't have this, just about any type of lettuce will do. You can use arugula, mixed baby greens, or baby lettuce. Now with this type of lettuce, you want to flip it over first and cut out that hard core, take out any brown little tips, and then you want to chop the lettuce into smaller pieces. And I'm going to assemble my salad on a large serving platter. You can use a large bowl or like a large casserole tray. Oops. Next, we'll need 2 sweet but firm persimmons. We're going to slice these in half first. And I absolutely love persimmons. Not only are they so delicious, but they're also really healthy. Okay, now we could start to slice them. So I like to quarter the persimmon and then use my knife to slice the persimmon thinly. So you get like these little quarter pieces. And then take 3 to 4 pieces of the persimmons, kind of fan them out and tuck them into their lettuce. Next, we'll slice 1 medium shallot. Make sure your slices are nice and thin, and then we'll sprinkle this onto the salad. Next, we're going to finely dice some candied pecans, and I absolutely love the sweet flavor and the crispy texture that these add to the salad. They are a perfect addition. You can also use regular pecans, walnuts, pistachios, or even almonds for this recipe. Then you want to evenly sprinkle those over the salad. Next, we're going to add on some crumbled creamy goat cheese, and I absolutely love the goat cheese for this recipe. It tastes so great with the persimmons and the pomegranate. Now, if you're not a fan of goat cheese, you can also use crumbled feta cheese or some crumbled mild blue cheese like a gorgonzola. And last, we're going to add on our pomegranate seeds. I love these for the flavor, the texture, and for the color. They make the salad so beautiful and festive. And now for our salad dressing. We're going to start with the zest of 1 large orange. Drop the zest into a large measuring cup and then split the orange in half and squeeze out the juice. We'll need a 1/3 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice for this recipe. And I love using the orange juice instead of like a traditional lemon juice. It tastes so delicious. Next, we'll need 3 garlic cloves, and I use my zester to grate them so they're very finely grated. Drop in 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Pour in a couple tablespoons of pure maple syrup to add a touch of sweetness. And then about a tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Pour in a 1/3 cup of a good quality extra virgin olive oil. And we're going to season the dressing with a teaspoon of fresh thyme. Add in about a teaspoon, teaspoon and a half of sea salt, and some freshly ground black pepper. And then use a whisk and mix everything together. And that's it for the salad dressing. Super easy, so delicious and aromatic, and I think it's absolutely perfect for this salad. And then give your salad dressing one last whisk right before serving. You want to keep the dressing on the side until you are ready to serve, and then drizzle it evenly all over the salad. Now for this type of recipe, I like to present the salad just like this and then use my serving utensils to scoop it right off the platter. I don't toss this one just because I want it to look so beautiful and festive, and I love those pomegranate seeds on the top too. And when you're enjoying, make sure to grab a little bit of everything and enjoy. And that's it for my easy pomegranate persimmon salad. I can't wait for you to try this recipe for the holiday season, and make sure to add it to your Thanksgiving and Christmas menu. It's just so colorful and festive and delicious. It's bound to be a hit with everybody. Don't forget to head on down into the video description box for the recipe link. I'll have all the details up on my website for you. And now let's dig in to enjoy. I honestly wait all year for persimmons and pomegranates to come into season just so I can have this recipe. It is so incredibly delicious, and just love the combination of flavors here. And then when you're enjoying it, make sure to grab a little bit of everything. The persimmon, the goat cheese, the lettuce. This salad is simply phenomenal. The combination of flavors and textures here is incredible. You have the sweet persimmon along with the crunchy candied pecans, that creamy goat cheese, and that zesty garlicky dressing pairs so well with everything. You have a little bit of that orange zest coming through, lots of garlic flavor. This salad is just beyond words. So, so good. During the fall, I love to make the salad with some roasted chicken as like an everyday meal, and then I'll serve it with my roasted turkey for Thanksgiving as a holiday meal as well. It's such a great salad and perfect for every day and for the holidays. Thank you so much for watching my latest episode. I hope you enjoyed this incredible salad at home, and I'll see you next time with a new recipe.